Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. So as I have shared, I have become the founder of Happy Yogi, which is a company providing online, offline yoga classes along with corporate yoga workshops, private yoga sessions and Reiki workshops. And I'm sharing with you step by step the whole process of how I founded this company, Happy Yogi. In the last video, I have shared how we came up with the name Happy Yogi, and in this video, I'm going to share how we decided on the logo of Happy Yogi. So as I told you in the previous video, there were different names in our mind when we were thinking of the name of the business. In the same manner, there were many logos that we came across. My nephew is a graphic designer and he also designed some logos for us, but somewhere nothing was touching our heart. So what we did an exercise, and I started this exercise with myself. I asked a question that when I close my eyes and when I think of Happy Yogi, what sort of image comes to my mind? And I asked this question to my husband, my mother-in-law, my mom, my friends, my relatives. So we did this exercise, and the answer that we got, depending on that, we designed the logo. So most of them said that they are seeing an image of a baby meditating. Someone visualized laughing Buddha. Someone visualized an image of Buddha meditating. But more or less, we all were in the same page that everyone, majority visualized a meditating image with a smiling face of either a baby or laughing Buddha or Buddha. So so we mixed all these inputs and we tried to see which image fits best in these sort of visualization. So yeah, we saw many designs and finally we thought this is the image which best fits with the name Happy Yogi, because this was exactly how I would visualize Happy Yogi. And based on this exercise, we decided finalize this logo. The other important thing which I would want to share with you is the color of the logo. When you are designing a logo, it will be a big advantage to you if you are going for a monocolor logo, single color logo. If you are a small business and if you are starting with a small investment, it would be a very smart decision if you go with a single color logo. I thought so while designing. I thought that I will try to go with a single color, because why I decided that, because I thought that when I'm printing it on a paper, suppose if I'm designing a flyer, I should be comfortable going with the black and white image as well, a black and white flyer, and it will not affect my logo. So that is the reason, that's what I had in my head when I was deciding that I have to go with single color, and thinking of that black and white image, I picked the color black. And this actually helped me, and it helped me saving a lot of money, because when the image was getting painted in the wall, in the central wall of the studio, of the space where we teach yoga, There the artist charged us less because it was a single color, monocolor. We saved money while printing flyers because it was a single color. The advertisement we give on the newspaper, it's basically not a newspaper, it comes along with the newspaper. It has multiple advertisement, and all advertisement go black and white. So there also our logo is very clearly visible because it is a single color. On printing the logo on the cloth that I customized, there also I saved cost because it was a single color logo. So yeah, you see, as I planned, it actually helped me. So it's gonna be a big help to you. You're gonna save a lot of money if you have a single color logo. The logo that I designed, be it Happy Yogi or even Sapna's Yoga Diary, I designed it using the app Canva. Canva is very user friendly. You can there are multiple templates, thousands of templates, and you can customize the templates very easily, and it is going to be a big help to the content creators, and small business owners. So yeah, if you have not started to use it, start using it. All the flyers, logo, banners I have designed using the app Canva. I hope this video was very helpful to you. In case yes, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Namaste.